Ready to get it started. Bitch, I got no sense. Oh, hit the plug.
Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am kashiajabre, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed and styled this wig from WorldNewHair. I just want to say thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video, but we're going to talk a little bit more about that in the video. So before we hop into it, make sure that you thumbs this video up if you do enjoy it, and also make sure that you comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe then you can blit too, and that's on period. So let's just hop right into this video. Hey y'all, so I'm just starting off with 2 braids, but before we get into that, I just want to show you everything that they sent me. So they sent me this cute little dust bag, some wig caps, a scarf, which is super cute, and they sent me a pearl little hair clip, some lashes, and 2 headbands. And they also sent me another headband, but it was an elastic one that kind of like makes sure that your wig doesn't move, but I forgot to add that in. Sorry y'all. But I'm just starting off by putting on one of the wig caps and just tucking my braids in it the best way that I could. And then I'm going to take some Got To Be in the black little bottle, and then I'm going to be using that to gel my hair backwards. I do this so that I can just keep my hair out of the way because, as you guys know, we will be using glue in this process, and I just don't want my hair to have anything to do with that. So yeah, I'm just using a toothbrush to just make sure my hair is all slick, and then when I'm done with that, I'm going to take the wig cap and I'm going to glide it over my hair to make sure that all of my hair is pushed backwards. And then after that, you guys will see me put on another wig cap. So basically, I put on 2 wig caps because this one is to protect my hair and the other one is the cap that really is going to matter. That's going to be the cap on top that I'm going to put like all the makeup on and stuff like that. And from just previous installs, whenever I just use one cap, the makeup always goes through it and get all over my hair. And yeah, it's just better for me to just wear 2 caps. Y'all can wear 1 cap, but for me, I like to wear 2. Here you guys just see me cutting out the ear holes like I always do. And then I'm going to be going in with the Got To Be in the black bottle, and I'm just going to be putting that all over my hairline. And then you guys will see me a little bit later getting a rat tail comb and just getting off all the excess product because it's really not needed. And then after that, I'm going to be using the Got To Be in the yellow can, the spray, and then I'm going to be spraying that on top of this just to make sure that everything is just going to be nice and laid. And these caps actually come up really easy up underneath your wigs installed, just wear and tear whenever you're wetting it or maybe putting on foam and stuff like that. I have found that they're easy to slide back, so I just use the spray and the gel now. It kind of helps that. So yeah, that's just what I've been doing. And then after that, of course, I'm just going to be blow drying it on low heat, and then I'm going to cut it. And then yeah, you guys have saw me do this like a million times. I don't feel like I got to explain it. So I'll see you guys when it's time to actually put on this wig. Okay, so now that the wig cap is all laid, here's the wig. It is so freaking beautiful, so cute. I did not have to do anything other than just pluck this wig a little bit and just make a part. As you guys can see, the hair was heavy and the hair was so soft, y'all. Like, the hair is so soft. I literally still have it in my head right now, and it's so soft, like so soft. So as you guys know, this wig did come from WorldNewHair. This is their orange ginger hair in body wave. This is their 13x4 lace. That just means that it is 13 inches from ear to ear, and it goes 4 inches back. It's also 180 density and 24 inches. Okay, so y'all see that lace? Clearly darker than my skin tone. Clearly darker than my skin tone. I did not pay attention when it came to this wig and ordering it because I was just so excited about the orange that I didn't even pay attention to the type of lace that it was. This is medium brown lace, so I had to do like the most to even try to get it relatively close to my skin tone, and it still really didn't work because the lace was cakey and it just had a lot on it. It just wasn't it wasn't giving what I thought it was gonna give. You know what I mean? So yeah, as you guys can see, I was just trying everything, turn the lace orange. The girl did everything trying to get this wig right. So if you are a girl that's darker than me, or you're just dark skinned in general, medium brown lace can and will work for you. If you are a girl my skin tone or lighter, I would say stray away from medium brown lace because it is going to be a piece of work just to try to get it to your skin tone, period. If you can get HD lace, or if you can get transparent lace, or even light brown lace, that would be better for you. Because this was just too much. Like, I shouldn't have had to do this much because the hair was just so pretty, and I just feel like the lace just took away from it because I couldn't get like a flawless install, and it was just frustrating. But as you guys can see from the intro of this video, I pulled it together. So yeah, I just had to get that out. I'm using some Ghost Bond glue. As you guys know, that's what I always use, and I'm just going to be placing the wig down like normal. I'm trying to see if there was anything else I had to say about this hair. I don't think so. It was a pretty smooth ride with this hair other than the lace. Yeah, I think that's it. That's all I had to say about it. Other than that, this is some beautiful, beautiful hair. Like, the hair is so soft. Like, somebody felt my hair and they was like, this hair is soft. So I know for sure it's soft. I'm not just tripping. I'm not just guessing. It's super soft, and you can just tell that it's a great quality of hair. So yeah, I'll come back to you guys when it comes to styling. You guys have seen me do this a million times also, so I'll come back when it's time for that. Okay, so now y'all, what I'm going to be doing is just making sure that my wig is just laying flat, because one thing I don't like is when I see somebody wig and it's lumpy and it's just not sitting flat on their head. Like, I just hate that. Like, it literally makes my skin crawl. So this is how you get rid of that. If your wig is lumpy, it's okay, girl. Long as you here and you learning how to make it flat, you good. So basically what I do is I just take some serum. Here I'm just using some Bio Silk, or you can use the Chi Silk Infusion, or you can just use some foam. But if you are using foam, make sure that you don't use too much, because you don't want the hair to be wet. You just want it to have something on it so that it presses out flatter. I don't know. Does that make sense? I hope it is. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing, is just going section by section, putting some serum on it, and then using my hot comb on the highest heat that it is, and I'm just making sure that everything is laying flat. Okay? Okay. Okay, so now this is a completely and 100% optional step, but if you want like curtain bangs, or if you just want your curls to just look really cute and just, you know how you see those girls on Instagram when they get their installs and stuff like that, and they have the cute bangs and stuff like that. That hair is layered. Like, somebody went in and cut their hair, and that's what you guys see me doing here. If you have not done this before, please do not try this with scissors. Only do it with scissors if you know what you're doing. Normally I would have a razor, but I did this super late at night and I couldn't find my razor, so I just had to do what it do basically. And I went in with this barrel wand and I curled my whole head. And when I tell y'all, it took me over an hour, probably like 2 hours, y'all. 2 whole hours. And by the time I was done, all the curls had damn near fell. And I was just like, okay, let me just cut this lace and then we can focus on what we finna do with this hair. So here you guys just see me taking the eyebrow razor and just cutting the lace off. I started off with scissors, but I was like, nah, I think I want to do the eyebrow razor, just because, like I told you guys earlier, the lace was already brown, and I can get away with cutting the lace with scissors when it's like my skin tone, because you don't really see it. But with this one, I knew that she was gonna see the lace, so I was just like, what can I do to just try to make it as seamless as I could? And I just decided to go in with a razor. So yeah, back with some scissors here. I guess I got frustrated with the razor, and yeah, I was just trying to I don't know, y'all, I was just so frustrated at this point. I was just over it. I had just curled my hair for 2.5, probably like 2 hours, and I was just over it. But here I'm just cutting out the ear flaps. Y'all see that lace compared to my skin? Like, I cannot believe this. And it's just so unfortunate because the hair was so good. Well, it's so good because I still got it in. But, oh my God. If this would have been my lace color, this install would have snapped. Like, snapped. Okay? But now, as you guys can see, all the curls, they look like they're there. But, girl, they were not there. They were non-existent. By the time I combed them out, girl, they were gone. And I was trying to go for like a curtain bang look, just because I thought that would be really fire with some orange hair. But yeah, the curls were dead. So I got frustrated, and not gonna lie, y'all gonna see in a minute. I was just trying to keep combing it to see if it was gonna work for me, trying to, you know, just mess with it. Girl, no, it wasn't doing it. It wasn't doing what it was supposed to be doing. So yeah, I had to go to plan B. I had to try something else. I had to figure it out. So this is me doing that. So I started off by doing the baby hairs, and then I was like, I'm bored with this. And then I was like, well, let me try a hairstyle. That wasn't working. So then I tried to do a half up, half down. I ain't really like that. So then I turned to a side part, and I was kind of feeling it. It was looking better. I was like, I can make this work, but not like this. So then I cut off the camera because I was just aggravated, and I was trying to get my attitude together. And then while I was doing that, y'all, I came up with this hairstyle. So since I was frustrated in that moment, I did not record how I did it. Basically, all I did was just take my curling iron. I think that's what it's called. All I did was just take that and just take a piece in the front and just curl it, and then just put the rest of my hair in a half up, half down type of situation. As you guys can see here, I was just wrapping the hair around the elastic band so you can see it. And then I was like, okay, I can live with this. Yeah, it started to look super cute, so I was like, okay, I can do this. But I'm so sorry that I did not get to film it for you guys. I would try to do it in another video, but this is the end of this video, so I'm just gonna let y'all catch the outro, okay? Okay, so that pretty much sums up this look. This turned out so cute. I am so happy with the outcome. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please do not forget to thumbs this video up, and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. And that's on what? That's on period, okay? And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Oh, don't forget to look in the description box for all the links on this hair. Okay, I'm out. Peace.